My name is Benjamin Nathanson. I'm from Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I'm entering into my second year of the Master's in Public Policy program here at Johns Hopkins. I want to tell you a little bit about how I decided to enter into this program and pursue my Master's in Public Policy, and specifically here at Johns Hopkins University. Prior to entering into the program, I served as a Peace Corps volunteer in northern Nicaragua. There I was a community health educator, and I worked with the Ministry of Health developing radio and television programming that dealt with HIV/AIDS family planning. While I served in Nicaragua, which was from 2005 to 2007, there was a rotavirus outbreak. And so they sent a number of community health educators and Peace Corps volunteers into rural areas to do little informal talks and workshops with young children about rotavirus and the importance of washing their hands. And so I was sent to a rural school up in the mountains of Nueva Segovia, the state or department where I lived in Nicaragua. And I did this workshop with kids, and I remember leaving the school, and I looked around, and I realized there was no running water, there was no soap, that infrastructure didn't exist. So that even if these young children were able to modify their behaviors and had the desire to wash their hands, they couldn't do so. So it was at that moment that I realized it takes more than just the grassroots organizing, grassroots activities, and all of those movements to create real social change. I realized that it was combining the grassroots with the policy level that would make that really possible. So then I started looking into programs. I wanted to pursue my master's degree in public policy. And I came across the program here at Johns Hopkins, and it seemed to be a perfect fit for a number of reasons. There were a number of courses that are offered that made it a perfect fit, and one being policy analysis for the real world, taught by the director of the Institute for Policy Studies, Dr. Sandra Newman. And this course really gives you an opportunity to examine a number of different social issues through some different lenses, and also get out into the real world. You're interviewing people, you're doing observations, and really doing that groundwork that I was able to do in Peace Corps, but now looking at it through a different lens. And that was really exciting for me. Additionally, once you complete this sort of capstone team project, you're able to present your findings and recommendations to a number of Baltimore stakeholders, including city council representatives, neighborhood associations, community development corporations, and residents who are really interested in the well-being of this city. So that was a very exciting opportunity for me. The second semester we took a course taught by Dr. Lester Solomon, The New Tools of Governance. Once again, that was an exciting opportunity for me because it went beyond just looking at government programs, and we start to think about tools of governance. So we're thinking about contracts, loans, loan guarantees, and how those actually work in governance. So that was very exciting as well. Just to sort of show you how things have come full circle. So there I was, Peace Corps volunteer in Nicaragua, frustrated by my inability to sort of connect the grassroots with this policy level. Now, a year after this program, I'm working for an organization called Numoeda, which is at Bloomberg at the School of Public Health, at Johns Hopkins School of Public Health. And what they are doing is they are creating media around pneumonia in the developing world and the importance of pneumococcal vaccine. So they brought me on as a team member to help them create media in Nicaragua about pneumonia in the developing world, and we're able to take that media and target policymakers and the population in general to inform them about these issues. So now I'm actually able to link those two levels together. So I think that really highlights what this program can do for someone, and it's been a wonderful experience.